Hiya guys, welcome to Arboleas on this absolutely gloriously sunny June morning, and I've just come to give you a little show around of the stunning new listing that we've got, Villa Crocus, on a 600, well, it's a 136 metre villa in the Perla-El area of Arboleas on a just over 600 metre plot, so set in beautiful private, very low maintenance gardens, perfect for enjoying these now beautifully hot days. I'm just going to do a little pan from over here. So you've got wonderful summer kitchen, fully equipped. You've got a sink in there, you've got a barbecue, electric, and then you had a stunning 3-bedroom villa, and then the owners have added this gorgeous porch which runs both to the left and the right at the back of the property, and you've got the best of both worlds. On the left there, those sliding doors lead into a gorgeous winter room, so fully enclosed and lovely and warm in the winter, but can be opened up for a bit of a breeze in the summer. And the other side of this, central doors there go into the lounge diner, and then a beautiful shaded open porch, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And check out this gorgeous, pristine, this is a 10 by 5, absolutely beautiful. And then run this to the end of the garden via the pom-pom olive, as I call it. You've got two very handy storage casitas, which we'll have a look at in a minute, and then a wonderful outside solar shower, and this gorgeous wooden dining pergola. And I hope as I'm going around here, you know, you're taking in just the absolute quality of this property. Ease of maintenance in mind, but you know, very high quality materials and stuff to just create this wonderful quiet and private oasis. So I've just popped over now to the other side of the garden, and you can see you've got lovely established plants and shrubs, but again, these are local, low maintenance. They're not going to fill the garden up with weeds and petals and leaves and everything else, and they're just there to kind of break up the garden and provide some wonderful greenery. And then check out this gorgeous, I mean, I've seen this with a patio set at the moment. The owners have put a dining set underneath there, but I've seen it with a patio set. You've got pull-down blinds running along the frontage there, which you certainly need at this time of year. About 4 o'clock, if they're not down, the sun's going to be right in your eyes. And looking down the run there at the 10 by 5 pool, you've got a Spanish barbecue built into the wall over here. Look at this gorgeous wall decoration. And I'm not being funny, I can look around this entire, there's no cracked tile, there's no paint peeling off the wall. You've got beautiful cladding and decoration around the exterior walls. Summer kitchen bar area there right in front of us. So we're effectively in the back garden, and what's very nice about this villa, there is a front garden and a parking area and everything, but it's totally secure here at the back and very private, because on one side you've got a lovely privacy wall with a lockable gate, and on this side you've got these two wonderful block-built storage sheds, casitas. I'm not going to film on the inside, but the one immediately in front of there's got a very handy feature. You've got a WC, a toilet, and a hand basin, so if you've got loads of kids over in the summer and stuff like that, they don't need to run into the main house to use the loo. Love this shower. This is solar powered, and often in the winter months and everything, you're still getting lots of hot water coming out of here, and this is actually used as the main shower. Let's pan along the frontage there, have a look at the terrace. So it's absolutely glorious. I mean, I'm cooking out here in the sun at the moment doing this for you, and also combining it with a viewing at the same time. So forgive me if I'm moving a little bit fast, but you can see here, this goes into the bedroom. The door there is going into the sitting area, beautifully shaded, and we'll come and have a quick look. I'll just show you the view from here. Check out these amazing views. I've now stepped totally into the shade. Beautiful backdrop there. Now, in addition to this, which is, you know, the owners have seen, we got quite a few high winds last year and at the beginning of this year, so they put down this drop-down awning, which goes floor to ceiling, and if you've got a particularly blowy day, then this shields this terrace from even the wind. But this is the open porch, if you like. So let's go and have a look at the villa interior. So rather than the front door, I'm going to actually start, we're in the back garden anyway, so I'm going to start with this gorgeous enclosed winter room. As you can see, beautiful sliding glass door access there. Come on into here. Absolutely beautiful. This has all been newly refurbished. The tiling scheme's absolutely gorgeous. You know, it's an outside room and an inside room at the same time. Now, a real master stroke. This was a window coming up here, coming into the kitchen. The window's now been gone and you've got this open hatch, so fantastic if you're entertaining or just eat the couple you're here as a couple, you know, you don't feel isolated when you're in the kitchen getting a drink or putting some food out to be enjoyed in this wonderful room. Now this is literally just off the living room, so it flows beautifully. You're coming from the living room out into this gorgeous winter room. I don't know if you can see, you're looking over the pool there. There's a wonderful hill backdrop as you saw from the other side from the open porch. And the door there leads straight back into the lounge. So it's just a lovely flow, you know, through the lounge, out into this room, straight out into the gardens, poolside and right by the summer kitchen. So coming into this door off of the living room, so this is a central living room, dining room. And I love the access point. So immediately in front of me there, that's a door out to the open porch. Then you've got further double door access here at the end of the lounge, out into the garden, and I've just come in through the door that connects to the winter room. So off the lounge diner, you've got 3 access points out to the garden. Now I'm just going to pan around here for you as is the norm. I'll do it from both ends so you can get a good look. So very, very beautifully appointed lounge diner. You've got dual twin ceiling fans, top spec air conditioning unit on the wall there. All the windows have got fly screens on as well. So in terms of spec, really, again, nothing that the current owners could have done to upgrade. You've got a lovely entrance hall there. That takes us to the front door. We'll go and have a look through there in a second. And then panning around from here, that's the door access out into the kitchen. You can also see all the interior woodwork has been upgraded. So it's now, you know, very contemporary, newly done, but it's white rather than the bog standard pine that you see in so many houses. So now I've wandered up to the other end of the living room, if you like, because if I'm coming into the entrance hallway, you can see over on my right there, below the big ornamental clock, that's a full wood-burning fire fan assisted. And you can get a better idea of the access points then going out to the garden, but this is quality but comfortable and very big furniture, and it doesn't feel over-crammed in here in any way, shape or form. So now coming through into the beauty, now this is literally out of the box, absolutely stunning top spec kitchen, very contemporary cream or white laminate units, double granite worktops. You've got a fantastic drinking water system sitting there right in front of you, and there's a utility room off to my right that you'll see in a second, but look, let's just pan. You've got ample storage units, there's larders, that's an integral dishwasher. Behind me on the wall is a lovely wall-mounted television. Waste level oven and microwave up here. State-of-the-art extractor fan, ceramic hob. Let's have a look at this from, so there you've got friends round, or you're just kind of entertaining each other, and you can be out here passing a glass of wine through, passing the food through to enjoy out in that lovely winter room. Everything about this villa, you know, it's just, yes, easy to maintain, but it just screams quality, beautiful design. You know, you could just come here, drop a suitcase, relax and enjoy. Separate utility room, as you see there. Wall-mounted TV even in this room. Back on into the lounge, so let's skip across that and go and have a look at the bedrooms. So back off the lounge into, that's the front door immediately in front of me. And then you've got the main guest bedroom over there. Another one to my left, which we'll have a look at in a minute. That's the family bathroom. Both bathrooms are newly refurbished. One's a full bath suite with an overhead shower. Both have got beautiful wall-mounted towel heaters. But let's have a look at the master first and the ensuite. So fitted wardrobes, again, the white wood interior. This, you know, not just the doors, door frames, this is also the wardrobes. So they've all been bought bang up to date. You've got a large bank of floor to ceiling fitted cupboards, wardrobes in here, double door access. I mean, the novelty for the owners, they've lived here a long time, you know, they've owned this from you over 20 years, and they don't go out the doors now and just throw themselves into the pool, so they put a couch across, but obviously that can be opened up. beautifully appointed and cool master bedroom. And then this large, gorgeous ensuite shower room. Coming back into the hall, the master bathroom here on my right. This is a full suite. Very understated, but just, you know, beautifully done. I think they got the balance just right on this one. The main guest bedroom. That's certainly a princess in the pea bed. That one is gorgeous. Again, the master had air conditioning, and this has got a ceiling fan in this one, but you've got a bank of fitted wardrobes again. And then finally in here, the third guest bedroom. I mean, it's a lovely double again, but opted for 2 good sized single beds in this one. Again, a ceiling fan to keep it nice and cool, but this is a very, you know, shaded part of the house, so it keeps cool anyway. And finally, I'm going to go out and do the front garden and parking area. So as I said right at the beginning, I've kind of done this house in reverse really, because the magic is in the back garden and showing how beautiful it is and how private it is. But you've got double access gates here, ample parking, off-street parking, you know, a motorhome and a car or 2 cars. There's the privacy wall I mentioned with a lockable gate on this side. Again, all the out exterior walls, you can't see a bit of flaked paint. You've got stone cladding, marble topped all the way round. The owners have taken the trouble to stone clad all the exterior walls as well, just for ease of maintenance and presentation. You know, it just looks a lot smarter. You've got this nice corridor. I'm not going to crunch all over the gravel there, but that's the front door coming up in front of us. There's a lovely little seating area, you know, the social terrace, we'll call it that, or the social entertaining. And a real feature, and I love this, you've got a mirror on the wall there, and who of us, you know, you're going out for an evening and you don't have a look in that to check your hair's okay. The final mirror leaving the house. Then I'm not going to film down there, but it's essentially a little utility corridor that ends with another privacy wall, so you can't walk through to the back garden. Just panning around here, and that's front door access into the property. So to leave you, I've popped back out to the back garden again just to give you one final look. So this is going to be called Villa Crocus. Selling price is going to be €249,950 or very near offer. Full details will follow shortly, and you know it's available for viewing now. You can contact us, khalidahomes@hotmail.com, or give us a call, +34 950 430 763. I think there's going to be a queue for this absolutely gorgeous property. Look forward to showing it to you.